Hello, this is Alex from CustomCat. Today I'm going to show you how to add a design to your CustomCat Design Library and how the different functions in your design library work. So you've already connected your first store, and now it's time to add your first design. So we'll just follow the wizard and we'll go to the design library. So you can click Add Design here, or you can always click your design library in the left navigation. It's my first time adding a design, so I'll click the Upload Design button, and then you can either drag and drop into the design library, or you can click and open. And I will go ahead and upload some ornament designs that I've been creating. You can bulk upload, so I will do a Control A on my keyboard to select all my designs. Open. You can see there's a 250 file limit. And then go ahead and click Upload Design. It's typically pretty quick. If you have extremely large files for canvas or for blankets, it will take a little bit longer. And here we go. So all my designs are now uploaded into my design library. There are a couple different features and functions. Once you have a really large design library, you can use the search function and search for any tag or file name. You can search personalized if you've personalized any of your designs using our personalization feature. You have sorting tools. You can list more or less per page. And you also have a list view if that's easier for you to see. Some of the other functions that you can do is you can click on your file to see more information or see how it appears on a different background. You can edit the file name to get more organized if it's for a specific product or a specific collection. You can add tags at this point. And we also have a bunch of bulk actions. So you can either select the check boxes or you can select all, and you can bulk add tags. And you can bulk delete if you wanted to do that, which I won't. You can see how your tags will then show up and you can remove them later. And that's pretty much it for the design library. It comes into play a lot more and there's more functionality. But every time you go to upload a product, you're going to be able to choose from your design library or to upload directly from your computer. So now that you've added your first designs into your design library, you're ready to move on and start creating products. So catch the next tutorial video and I'll show you how to do that.